Eh?
Yes, so.
Make you shine your eye. No shishi, she for bribe. No shishi for bribe. Hey, no shishi for bribe. Eh?
Your vote, sell opportunity, sell the tomorrow. Then go surely take a back with profit. Now you go so far, so far, so far. Naija, monkey go the walk, bamboo go the show. Check out so we go there. Making us all your photo, no shishi for bride. If I do my content, you do your content.
No shishi for bribe. Buhari. No shishi for bribe. Atiko. No shishi for bribe. PDP. No shishi for bribe. Eh?
Last, you could still better.
APC. No shishi for bribe.
Everybody rise.
Jubri. No shishi for bribe. Osibajo. No shishi for bribe. Lai Mohammed. No shishi for bribe.
For your votes, this by the new votes. How much is your vote?
Tunubu no shishi for bribe. Eh? Obasanjo no shishi for bribe. Oh.
Tell your future, so you know, criminals don't get the conscience. Don't be saying we go just do the phone vex, still allow nonsense for another 4 years. Cause my people still get jobless. Every day my people still they die in hundreds. So make we shine our eye, cause it's not the only 2 bad choices made in the contest. Give me one more verse, please. I'm talking to you precisely. You do school office or you do NYC with your PVC. You can vote wisely, even when the offer the bidding is so spicy.
Bribe. No shishi for bribe. Oh. No shishi for bribe. Oh. Mr. Jollof, what are you doing? Come at a campaign for Showore 2019. This is 2019. No shishi for bribe. Oh. My message has got it to Two-Face and I'm happy over it. Now this is Two-Face song. No shishi for bribe. Don't that fire our politicians. Don't that fire Obasanjo. Showore.
No one time again, yo, everybody there with you. Take it back, you need to change some settings.
Showore, 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 Showore. Eh? Showore, 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 2019 Showore, 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 Showore. Yeah, I'm so glad and happy. Two-Face do the right thing at last. Two-Face, he just came out and told us this is the person we're supposed to vote for with the PVC. He asked us to go and collect with his wife Annie. Now I'm at peace. I'm happy. I'm not angry with Two-Face anymore. Why? Because he has done what I was expecting from him. You understand? Campaign for this guy, Showore, is the guy we need. It's the guy we need. If you truly want progress in Nigeria, Showore is the guy we need. Thank God they just chose a song for him. And I'm happy. Let's campaign for this guy massively. Eh? Because myself and my family, we are already in this family. We are already voting for AAC. Thunder go fire Tinubu with the colleague. May Thunder strike Tinubu to death. Strike Buhari. Strike Atiku. Atiku, go back to US. Go and face the FBI. FBI is waiting for you. Atiku, upon the whole thing, is Nigeria deaf and dumb? How can somebody like that buy a form? How can PDP give us somebody like Atiku? We don't need somebody like Atiku because Atiku is a criminal. It's a criminal. We all know. I don't know the problem with Nigeria. When we cut people right on that, we don't take action. Our court is not working. Magistrate is not working. Our court is not doing anything. Imagine if truly Buhari is no victim of what Nnamdi Kanu is saying. Why don't you sue Nnamdi Kanu to court? Sue Nnamdi Kanu to court to clarify, to know if truly you are not Jubri, you are Buhari. That is what I was expecting for my so-called Nigeria president. But he did all this. He did it. He didn't do it. No. I ask again. For how long? For how long would we continue living in bondage? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Nigeria must go forward. Now we are not laughing stock in the whole world. Anywhere we go, they say, can you do this in your country? We are tired. For how long are we going to live like this? We hustle every day. You hustle in another man's land. You use the money to pay bills. For how long are we going to continue like this? I ask again, for how long? I beg, I use God to beg on Nigeria. Now Showore we want. Showore. If Showore no enter, he no enter 2019. My brother will go give Nigeria problem. And I tell you, what we see for Libya, we go use and take work on Nigeria. Come 2019, we are live. We don't feel Showore is the person we want. Showore basta. AAC. We don't need Atiku. What Atiku have done nothing. You rule us as a vice president for 8 years. We didn't get anything from you. Nothing. You and Obasanjo, you people did nothing. So what do you expect? What do you want? You still want us to vote for you again? FBI is looking for you. We cannot make you our president. Then FBI will arrest you tomorrow. Our president will be under FBI custody. We don't need those kind of things. We need a vibrant president like Showore. We need a vibrant president because the most things our Nigeria people what they lack is agriculture. With agriculture, we can go forward. With agriculture and simple law, we will go forward. We are tired of all those useless people. We are tired. You people made law. You don't respect the law. How do you expect Buhari to respect the law? To respect the law? Osibajo, you say you dey share money, you go share money at that grave. This money Osibajo is sharing, you are going to share this money and enter inside the grave. I want to use this platform to speak with this guy. What's his name again? Funky D. Try to listen to me very well. I like your program. I like what you are doing, talking about the Nigeria. I've been following you for a while now, and I like your program. I must confess. But you are doing one thing I don't like. Don't try to say Nigeria should go to separate. You understand? Igbo, I'm from Edo State. Igbo, I married Igbo. If we should separate, then what am I going to do to my wife and my lovely kids? Then I tell my wife to go. I'm not going to marry her because we separate. No, it can't be possible. That cannot be possible. We are not going to separate. We started it together and we are going to finish it. Nnamdi Kanu should go and look for work and stop looking for Nigeria to share. If you want to do something good for Nigeria, go and support Showore because that is the only light. Because if you think say because of the oil where they Niger Delta and make you want make the share Nigeria, my brother, you the waste of time. Biafra, make una change. Vote for AAC and let us go forward. If you vote for AAC, business will be going well. This will be moving well. Not those wicked people sharing 30,000 naira because there is election. If you sell your vote because of 10,000 naira, I'm sorry. As you can see me, I'm here in Europe. I'm living a better life with my family. As you can see, that is my daughter. Can you see? So I'm very happy. We are living a better life. But I'm talking about you people that is inside the country. You understand? We have to do something. Something have to be done. Eh? What's the name of this lady that is insulting Eniola? What's his name again? Oluchi. Oluchi, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Don't stay South Africa and be making man. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? How would you say Eniola is supporting Buhari? How would he support Buhari? Are you insane? Why would he support Buhari? If you don't understand English, you message him and tell her, explain to me in a manner I will understand. You will bring it down to your understanding. Don't try to bring, when you know there's one thing that is going on in Nigeria which I don't like: tribalism. When you fail from doing what you wanted to do, you bring out tribalism. Such as Tonto Dike. Eh? They were talking to Williams. Williams has been doing this for quite some time, living with the masses' money. You people were praising him. Who Chamber? Where's Uchemba today? Where's Uchemba? Eh? The poor innocent Nigeria, you gather their money, you go to US, you start swimming, you driving big car, living in a better house. Why the people are living in hell in Nigeria? Tell me, why won't they put him behind bars? They totally came out and say because he's an Igbo. It's not just because he's an Igbo. When he has been eating this money for quite some time now. You understand? Nobody said because he's Igbo he's enjoying. Don't try to bring Igbo into this tribalism, into this issue. You understand? Don't bring this tribalism into this issue. Let's talk about our politician. Are you stupid? Let's talk about our politician. We have to talk about Osibajo, Obasanjo, our so-called president, and our first criminal, Atiku, we do first like tissue paper. Let's talk about Atiku, a great criminal like that. He constituted a nuisance when he was a custom officer, and they were two in number. The other one is Savage J. Then what are you waiting for, Atiku? This is New Year. We don't need your disturb. Your so-called disturb of campaign or whatever. We don't need your disturb. Enough is enough. Enough is enough, Atiku. There your lane. Obasanjo, you are not ashamed of yourself. You came and raised up Atiku hand. You were the one that raised Buhari hand. Have you forgotten? You raised Buhari hand. Now you are raising Atiku hand again. Are you insane? You remember you most told us in interview that there were so many things they can't, very illegal things they can't. Atiku was mentioned. That you cannot let Atiku run for any government house. Why are you bringing that Atiku now? Obasanjo, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed? All your mates are in the grave. What are you doing? What are you still doing with us? Eh? Are you not ashamed? Leave us alone. Let us live our life. We are tired of this kind of change. What kind of useless people is this? Heartless people who don't give a fuck about the citizen. If you are not ashamed, we the masses, we are ashamed and we are very angry. We are angry. Don't that fire una. Now not go see pikin send a message. Ogun go kill una. Ogun na go kill una. For all these things what they do to us. To the extent we run out of our country because of you people. You never say when they use leg they go abroad. We use leg they come abroad. Don't that go fire una. Don't that na go fire una. See if I just share money they go. Who you they share money for? For me? I be your papa. Now don't that go fire on a generation. When I tell they share that down a fake money, when I don't thief. Fake money, when I don't thief. Now when I yell now go for sharing. Now one sharing for year. Funky D. I really love your video. Stop this tribalism something because Nigeria can never go. They can never separate. Nigeria can never separate. Fine, if you want to go, you want to separate it, but people, you fine. You people do it. But when this Carlo wants to do that inside 2018 that you people are going to separate. What are you people still waiting for? Eh? You people are going to United Nations, Donald Trump talking nonsense. Donald Trump should go and face his own country. He should not put mouth into Nigeria's issue. If you cannot if you cannot say the truth to give Nigeria freedom, then you have no right to come and talk about Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu, take your time. Where is Ojukwu today? You don't have half of what Ojukwu have. Ojukwu was not able to win it. So you cannot just go and relax yourself. Go and relax yourself, Nnamdi Kanu. We don't need you people anymore. Don't tell us to separate. Even if we separate today, don't you know there will still be problem? There's still going to be problem. Later, you people will still be fighting because why? We don't like ourselves. We are jealous of ourselves. Then how can we go forward? I beg, Funky D. I love your video. I really love everything you are talking about. If you want to talk about those old capas, talk about them. I'm in support of it. You understand? But this Nnamdi Kanu matter, make Nnamdi Kanu go sit down. Make go sit down. We don't have any country to share. If you cannot share it the day they name Nigeria, then you cannot share it now. Go and sit down.